Hi there, Val Quinn from GadgetGuy. You know, I've seen a lot of tech in my career, but what I've found is the best technology is the stuff that makes our lives easier. Now, robot vacuum cleaners really demonstrate this because they've come such a long way since the first models. Now, I have Robotika's Provac here with me, which is a great example because it's just packed with features. And best of all, it's really affordable. So let's take a closer look at how the Provac can help you around the home. Well, getting set up is quick and easy. In the box, you'll find pretty much everything you need. There's the robot vacuum, a charging base, side brushes, plus a few spares, mop cloth, a water tank, and a remote control. So you just snap the brushes on like this, and you put the charging base into an area where you want to clean, plug it in, and you're off and running. So how does a robot vacuum work? The Provac can clean in a few different ways. It uses a combination of suction and a rolling brush, as well as side sweepers that collect dirt along walls, edges, and in corners. You can even use the mop cloth to clean up sticky spots on hard surfaces. It has a multi-stage HEPA filter to reduce dust and allergens, plus a low-noise Nidec brushless motor for a long running life. With its low-profile body, which is just 76 millimeters high, the Provac can get beneath cabinets and sofas where traditional vacuums just can't reach. So to find its way around, the robot uses a combination of sensors. This includes a front bumper, plus there's anti-collision and cliff sensors to avoid hitting things and even falling down stairs. When cleaning, the Provac drives across your floor using a special zigzag pattern. So it maps your floor so it knows what it's cleaned. And it can also find its way back to its charging base when the job's done or when its battery needs a top-up. The Provac can clean room to room for 65 to 90 minutes, and that depends on the floor type before it needs to return to its base. Before cleaning, be sure to move obstacles out of the way, such as cords or cables, and even place chairs on tabletops in case their feet are too low to get under. Auto cleaning starts with a press of a button, and you can take manual control by using the remote or by selecting a more specialized cleaning zone. For example, the round zone pattern cleans in a circular motion around, say, a spot where the kids might have spilled something. And there's even a mode for just cleaning along the walls of your rooms. The app is a great way to manage your Provac. So as the robot connects to your home Wi-Fi, you can check in on your vac even when you're not at home. So with the app, you can see the battery charge level, charge time, estimated cleaning area, and more. You can schedule cleanings, you can change the cleaning mode, adjust suction, or just look at your floor map. And it's all available on your Android or Apple smartphone. You can even remotely play a sound in case you're not sure where your little robot helper has gotten off to. The Provac is happy to make friends with your Google Home or Amazon Alexa smart speakers, so you can start a cleaning session by just using a voice command. So at the end of your busy day, why not come home to a freshly vacuumed or even mopped floor thanks to this clever little helper here. It works on both hard and carpeted surfaces and is great for keeping pet hair under control. It's backed by a 1-year warranty, a great selection of features, and a really fantastic price. So why not give it a go and add a bit more free time back to your day?